Hello everyone, it's Eladi, and in this video I will give you a quick review about done-for-you services, and I will show you a proof that it's working for me and for other people around the world. So stay tuned to this video. So first of all, what is done-for-you services? It's a training that shows you how to make your first sales online, how to start making money online, making money from home. And it's a step-by-step training. In the first, you just need to fill in your details, and after that they will give you an eye-converting landing page with your affiliate link in there, and you just need to start promote it in the social network or in someone else. And in this training they shows you how to start promote it in Facebook and Instagram via the Facebook Ads Manager. They also give you a lookalike audiences that you can start making sales faster and better sales. You'll get 92 commissions for every sale that you made, and people are making a lot of money with this program, with this product, with this done-for-you services. And you can find all the information in the webinar. And now I will show you a proof that it's working for me and for other people around the world. So now I'm in the Digistore 24 affiliate network. This is the network that you will use when you join to the done-for-you services. And here you can see that I'm making sales every single day. This is all the dates that I made a sales, and so far I've been made $1,761 for now. And here you can see how much I made for every day that I made. I made sales every single day that I promoted. And here you can see also my weekly earnings. And now I will show you that also not only me making money, and also other people from all the world are making money. So now I'm going to the done-for-you service Facebook group. It's a private group for questions and also to showing other people that it's working. And it's a private group, only people that are joined to done-for-you services having access to this group. And if I go and scroll down, you can see Sean Milley right all prices to the most high, still going up, and he made over $500. Andrew Marino, it's before 3 hours ago, makes his first sale $54. Celine Dion Guidal, gotta believe, over $1,000. Ryan Ray, before 3 hours ago, just over 48 hours, commit and stay positive and motivated, over $100. And if I go down there, Isiach Sitram, up and away, thank you God, thank you done-for-you admins, thank you to me for believing in myself no matter what, motivated and dedicated forever, over $100. Lionel Harvey, just got my first sale, all praises to the Most High God in the greatest, big thanks to Wesley Virgin, Ariella Lorio and the done-for-you services, many more blessings to come, over $39. So like you see, a lot of people making sales. All this photo is from their phones. Digistore 24 having a application that you can download from the Google Store or the App Store in Apple, and you can also track yourself every day from your phone. So a lot of people are making money, and if you want to join and start making sales, make money online, make money from your home, just go down below this video. I will give you the link to this webinar by Ariella and Wesley. They are show you all the information you need about Done For You services, how you can join right now to this program and start earning daily profits, start earning money online, start working from home and change your life forever. Quit your daily job and believe the dream. And I really recommend you to join to start seeing success in the internet marketing. So thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.